Okay, for these problems, it's very helpful, and you'll see why in a moment. It is helpful to have a calculator to use. And I'll show you why in a moment, because you're going to have some pretty big numbers. So the first numbers the first thing they have you do is to have these numbers and write them as a common denominator. So I'm going to write them down here so I can work with them. To get the common denominator, you multiply the denominators. So 20 times 25 is 500. And like I said, you're going to have large numbers. That's okay. And I'm making two fractions with the same denominator because I started out with two fractions. Now it's very important that you start with what I'm about to show you. You start with the left-hand corner. So you're going to multiply. 19 times 25 is 475. And then go the other direction. 23 times 20 is 460. Okay, so when they ask you to rewrite with common denominators, these are just two examples, but I'm showing you the easiest way to do these. Now, what you want to do is just compare the top. So 475 is larger than 460, and larger is greater than. So greater than is the symbol that you would use to compare the numbers. Okay, and that one's done. Okay, so again, here's what we did. I took the two fractions and I wrote them side by side so I could work with them. The denominator, the bottom, is multiplied. So 35 times 10 is 350. I put that for both of them. Start with the left-hand corner and multiply. Cross multiply. 32 times 10 is 320. And then the other direction. 9 times 35 is 315. You now have your two fractions, so you compare the top part, the numerator. 320 is larger than 315, so that is a greater than problem. The next one, 23 over 25, and 19 over 20. I'm going to multiply the denominators, so 25 times 20 is 500. Start with the left-hand corner and cross multiply. 23 times 20 is 460. Go the other direction. 19 times 25 is 475. Those are the two fractions. I'm going to compare the numerators. 460 is smaller than 475, so it would be a less than problem.